Welcome to Knowledge Builder. Today's video is about marketing analytics. I will discuss you the following. 1. Definition. 2. Importance. 3. How organizations use it. Challenges. 4. Marketing analytics software. 5. Marketing analytics software features and capabilities. 6. Skills needed. 7. Process. Marketing analytics. Marketing analytics benefits both marketers and consumers. This analysis allows marketers to achieve higher ROI on marketing investments by understanding what is successful in driving either conversions, brand awareness, or both. Analytics also ensures that consumers see a greater number of targeted, personalized ads that speak to their specific needs and interests rather than mass communications that tend to annoy. Marketing data can be analyzed using a variety of methods and models depending on the KPIs being measured. For example, analysis of brand awareness relies upon different data and models than analysis of conversions. Some popular analytics models and methods include media mix models, MMM, attribution models that look at aggregate data over a long period of time, multi-touch attribution (MTA), attribution models that provide person-level data from across the buyer's journey, unified marketing measurement a form of measurement that integrates various attribution models including MMM and MTA into comprehensive engagement metrics. Importance of marketing analytics. In the modern marketing landscape, accurate analytics is more important than ever. Consumers have become highly selective in choosing the branded media they engage with and the media they ignore. If brands want to catch the ideal buyer's attention, they must rely on analytics to create targeted personal ads based on individual interests rather than broader demographic associations. This will allow marketing teams to serve the right ad at the right time on the right channel to move consumers down the sales funnel. How organizations use marketing analytics. 1. Product intelligence. Product intelligence involves taking a deep dive into the brand's products as well as how those products stack up within the market. Typically done by speaking to consumers, polling target audiences, or engaging them with surveys, organizations can better understand their products' differentiators and competitive advantages. From there, teams can better align products to the unique consumer interests and problems that help drive conversions. 2. Product development trends. Analytics can also offer insight into the types of product features consumers want. Marketing teams can pass this information on to product development for future iterations. 3. Messaging and media. Data analysis can determine where marketers choose to display messages for particular consumers. This has become especially important because of the sheer number of channels. In addition to traditional marketing channels such as print, television, and broadcast, marketers must also know which digital channels and social media networks consumers prefer. Analytics answers these key questions. What media should you be buying? Which are driving the most sales? What message is resonating with your audience? The challenges of analyzing data. 1. Data quantity. Big data emerged during the digital age, enabling marketing teams to record every consumer click, impression, and view. However, this quantity of data is irrelevant if it cannot be structured and analyzed for insights that allow for in-campaign optimizations. This has left marketers grappling with how to best organize data to evaluate its meaning. In fact, research shows that experienced data scientists spend the majority of their time wrangling and formatting data rather than analyzing it. 2. Data quality. Not only is there a problem in terms of the vast information organizations must sift through, but this data is often viewed as unreliable. According to Forrester, 21% of respondents' media budgets were wasted due to poor data quality. This means $1 out of every $5 was not being utilized effectively. Over the course of a year, these dollars can add up, resulting in $1.2 million and $16.5 million of wasted budget for mid-size and enterprise-level firms. Organizations need a process to maintain data quality so that employees can leverage accurate information to make the right decisions. What is a marketing analytics software used for? Marketing analytics software combats these challenges by collecting, organizing, and correlating valuable data quickly, allowing marketers to make real-time campaign optimizations. Modern marketing platforms are valuable for the speed at which they can store and process massive amounts of data. One of the major drawbacks of having access to so much data is that marketers cannot possibly parse through it all in time to make real-time optimizations. That's where the processing power of advanced analytics platforms comes into play, enabling marketers to adjust creative or ad placement as needed before the campaign ends, enhancing potential ROI. Marketing analytics software features and capabilities. When implementing a marketing measurement solution, consider these key features and capabilities of a marketing analytics software: real-time analytics and insights. Brand measurement capabilities. Granular, person-level data. The ability to correlate online and offline attribution metrics. Contextualized customer and market insights. Annual media plan recommendations. Skills that marketing analytics managers need. 1. Conduct quality analyses. First and most obvious, an analytics manager must have experience evaluating large datasets to discern insights including buying patterns and engagement trends within the target audience. 2. Make optimization recommendations. Once data insights are gained, the ability to come up with recommendations to improve underperforming campaigns based on trends is crucial. For example, data may show that one consumer engaged with branded content only in the evening, informing a strategy shift to serve the ad on the consumer's commute home rather than the morning commute. 3. Understand consumer and Martech trends. Analytics managers should also stay abreast of consumer and Martech trends. Understanding consumer demands for a seamless omnichannel experience and how buyers are engaging with augmented and virtual reality will certainly play a role in determining the next steps for optimization opportunities. 4. Work with analytics tools. Next, analytics managers must be onboarded and comfortable with various automation tools and analytics platforms because of the vital role these tools play in reducing the time from consumer engagement to consumer insight. How to start the marketing analytics process. 1. Understand what you want to measure. There are many aspects to a marketing campaign you can measure: conversion rates, leads captured, and brand recognition, to name a few. Understand the problem you are trying to solve or insight you are trying to glean when beginning to analyze your data. 2. Establish a benchmark. What does a successful campaign look like? This will determine the types of data and metrics marketers collect. For example, if the goal is to increase brand awareness, the success benchmark might be an increased percentage of brand loyalty demonstrated in a customer panel rather than an online click or impression. 3. Assess your current capabilities. What is your company doing today? What are your weak spots? Whether assessing offline campaign results or identifying the media most likely to convert, understanding these weak points can help you strengthen your program. 4. Deploy a marketing analytics tool. Marketing analytics tools will increase in importance as consumers become more selective and datasets grow. An advanced platform, such as our marketing measurement and optimization platform, uses unified marketing measurement to help marketers identify the messages that resonate and the types of media that convert. This provides a holistic view of which campaigns are successful and which are underperforming in real time. Thank you for watching the video. Press the bell icon and stay tuned for the latest videos.